Hi guys, Candace Kugler here at High Octane Body and Paint. Remember that 2016 Dodge Challenger? Well, we got the parts in actually. So we restored the paint. Everything's at that nice smoky gray that you can see. Ooh. All right. And repaired that bumper that I mentioned. Come this way. Everything is the same. So I wanted to give you guys a glimpse of what's coming and what we're working on. This is the final step. So the customer should be picking it up Friday. I'll see you guys on Friday. Thanks for watching.